Hey everyone, Andrew here at Wiseline Tools. The temperature is dropping, snow is falling, and it's the perfect season to favor the indoors, so why not make it productive? Whether you're a first-time woodworker, upgrading your gear, or finally snagging that dream tool, Wiseline Tools has everything you need for projects big or small. From power tools to heavy-duty machines, we carry top brands, expert advice, and unbeatable prices to bring your ideas to life. Looking for precision? Check out our routers from DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Makita, paired with a wide selection of CMT router lids. And to keep your pieces in place, we have Bessie and Craig clamps. Plus, with Craig's large variety of jigs, no project is too large. We also have a large selection of machinery, from sanders and table saws to jointers, lathes, drill presses, and dust collectors. This winter, don't just stay inside, create something amazing. Visit Wiseline Tools today.